There is concern and confusion over a lawsuit that started in Texas against a federal rule that protects public school students with disabilities. It's called the 504 Education Plan, and parents are worried whether challenges could change the intent of that rule. Fox 4's Sean Rabb reports.
We've heard from many of those families concerned about the future of this law that gives every student with disabilities an opportunity to learn without discrimination. More than 1.6 million students nationwide, 400,000 to 500,000 in Texas, are covered by Section 504 of the Federal Rehabilitation Act, which prohibits discrimination based on disability in programs receiving federal financial assistance. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton filed a lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of part of Section 504, which prohibits discrimination based on disability. That lawsuit joined by 17 other states' attorneys general challenging a new regulation added during the Biden administration.
About whether or not gender dysphoria is within the scope of what is protected by Section 504 and the Americans with Disabilities Act.
Gender dysphoria is a feeling of distress that can happen when a person's gender identity differs from the sex assigned at birth. Most of what is in the Paxton lawsuit questions gender dysphoria.
There are some broader parts of the lawsuit towards the end that say some broader things about Section 504 as a whole, and that's drawn a great deal of attention and concern.
The concern by many parents of students in schools is that the lawsuit is trying to have all of 504 declared unconstitutional. But when President Donald Trump spoke after his inauguration,
as of today, it will henceforth be the official policy of the United States government that there are only two genders, male and female.
Followed by the president signing an executive order to the same, the lawsuit was paused. And in new court filings, Paxton makes clear that is not the case. Writing, plaintiffs clarify that they have never moved and do not plan to move the court to declare Section 504 as unconstitutional. The new filing means the states are not challenging 504 as a whole, only a narrow section around gender dysphoria.
Could they change positions someday? Maybe, but the position they've taken today is very clearly stated under circumstances where you would expect them to be honest and careful about what they say.
The next update in federal court is April 21st. We will keep watching, but what wasn't clear seems clear now. There is no attempt to take 504 away.